The next terminology is mean radius. Mean radius, it is denoted by r suffix m, rm. Okay, now if we consider here gear or pinion, so if suppose the bevel pinion is like this is the axis. Okay, so here the pitch circle diameter will be here at large end. Okay, so the diameter at large end of the gear is nothing but dp, pitch circle diameter of pinion. Now rm will be mean radius. Okay, here radius will be smaller, here is smaller diameter will be there, is a maximum diameter, minimum diameter, and mean diameter will be here. Okay, so we want to find mean diameter, so rm will be this much. Okay, and up to this is it is r radius of pinion. Okay, or you can call it as pitch circle diameter of pinion divided by 2. Okay, so dp by 2 will be up to this. Now and here the angles are there, so this angle is nothing but, so if I will draw this triangle here, so triangle will be like this. Now this distance is small b. Okay, so this distance will be b by 2 because I am drawing from here. Okay, so this will be b by 2. Now this distance we want to find, let us say this distance is x. Okay, and this angle is gamma p. Okay, because here the angle will be made by this pitch cone is nothing but here it is gamma p, so this angle will be gamma p. Okay, so here if we take this triangle and if we want to find this x distance in terms of b, so you have to go opposite by hypotenuse, means you have to go for sine. Okay, so sine of gamma p is equal to, now opposite is x divided by hypotenuse is b by 2. Okay, so here x distance will be, so here x distance will be sine of gamma p into b by 2. Okay, so means here x is sine of gamma p into b divided by 2. So this is x distance. Now if suppose you want to find pitch circle this rm, mean radius for pinion, so mean radius for pinion will be dp by 2 minus this x distance. Okay, so rm for pinion, mean radius for pinion will be dp by 2 minus this x distance from here to here, it is x. Okay, so x is nothing but sine of gamma p into b divided by 2. So in this way you can find rm for pinion. Similarly for gear, if suppose you are considering the gear, so gear will be like this will be axis of rotation, and here this total length will be b. Okay, and this distance is dg, and here rm will be somewhere here. Okay, so this rmg we want to find, rmg. Okay, so rmg you can find from, again you have to consider this triangle, so I am drawing this triangle here. Okay, now this distance is nothing but b by 2. This vertical distance the vertical distance we don't need, we need this distance. Okay, so dg by 2 minus this x distance, so this is x, so let us call this as x. Okay, now again here this angle will be gamma g. Okay, so again we will consider cosine of gamma g is equal to, now x divided by b by 2. So in this case x will become sine of gamma g into b divided by 2, and your mean radius for gear will become, now total distance dg and up to this dg by 2, so dg by 2 minus this x distance, so x is here sine of gamma g into b divided by 2. Okay, so using this formula you can find rmg, and using this formula you can find rmp, mean radius for pinion. Okay, so in this way you can find the mean radius for gear and pinion. Thank you.